Uh, to my distinguished colleagues, my fellow colleagues in government, Chairman and Administrator of Subic Metropolitan Authority Ed Alino, Senior Deputy Administrator Cambao, my colleague in DOTR, Assistant Secretary Leo Valdez, Attorney Carminda Fabros, Executive Director of SCAD, and other members, distinguished members of this conference, people that I have met in my years in the industry. Good morning. It's my pleasure to be here. It is really a distinct honor that I am here to be a participant in the Central Luzon Transport and Trade Conference. And on behalf of Secretary Jimmy Bautista, let me take the opportunity to commend the organizers in providing this platform not only to foster collaboration, but also to provide important updates and for the appreciation of the Central Luzon's transport and logistics industry, which is key to the Luzon Economic Corridor's overall development. This year's theme, Harnessing Logistics for Sustainable Growth, hit the nail on the head. Because only with a high standard of logistics will growth be sustainable. Central Luzon is the third engine of growth of our country's GDP at over 10% share. It has the potential to have higher growth and contribute a larger share of national growth, with transport and logistics improving it further to global standards. To this end, the Subic-Clark Alliance for Development, also known as SCAD, was created almost 20 years ago via executive order to transform the corridor between Subic and Clark into a mega logistics hub. Now we can say we are closer to fulfilling this vision for the region. The Luzon Economic Corridor has suddenly gained a higher posture, being the first Indo-Pacific project of the G7 nations partnership for global infrastructure and investment to fund infrastructure projects for developing nations. Central Luzon can take this lead. Let us step back and view the geographical advantage that we have. The Philippines is at the center of the Asia Pacific. 4 hours from anywhere in Asia and a suitable jump-off point to North America, Australia, and ASEAN. Luzon as the main island has NCR, Calabarzon, and Central Luzon, contributing 60% of the nation's economic output. Meanwhile, among the three growth engines, Central Luzon has the most landmass and seaside access with much room for development. So the model of SCAD as a government mechanism to help harness, facilitate all of these opportunities becomes vital. And we are committed to be helping the private sector in their endeavors to promote this region. So let us continue building and strengthening the ecosystem around the airport. We have the finest airport complex in the country today. And around it, we have the global city that has hectares and hectares of land for development. Indeed, it can be a competitive alternative to Metro Manila, with the trains coming in a few years and other road infrastructure being pursued at the moment. The entire logistics services sector, from inland transportation, warehousing, cold storage, customs brokerage, freight forwarding, shipping, all of this can be situated in the Clark Civil Aviation Complex. For the Clark International Airport Airport Corporation, which still has 1,200 available hectares of land. There are 7 flagship projects that it is pursuing to contribute to the total development of the logistics center. It is currently investigating and linking up with government agencies to create a food hub for Luzon. And there are other activities that is on the board, such as the development of another runway, considering that there are now locators such as FedEx and UPS currently in Clark. There will be new additional MRO locators in addition to what we have in Clark. Finally, let us remember that the way forward is not to walk alone, but to walk together in partnership. They have a saying that if you want to go fast, you walk alone. But if you want to go far, you work with others. So let us have both the public and private sector align and complement each other to produce a modern, competitive logistics and supply chain regional hub. Thank you so much and mabuhay to all.